Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram story. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top or the profile picture to start adding a story. You can either record a new video or choose an existing one from your gallery. Scroll through your gallery and select your photo or video and tap Done at the top right. Look for the music icon at the top of the screen and tap it. A list of recommended music or songs will appear, or you can search for a specific track using the search bar. You can customize your music. After selecting a song, use the slider to choose the exact part of the song you want to feature. Tap Preview to hear how it sounds in your story. You can also add lyrics. If you want to add a lyrics or appear to your story, pick a version of the song with a lyrics icon. There are music note with letters. Customize the lyric style to match your story's vibe. And then the final touch, once you're happy with the music and the lyrics, tap Done. Adjust the lyrics or the music position on your story to your liking. And then share your story. Tap your share story bottom in the left corner to share it. Your chosen music and lyrics will automatically play and display when your story is viewed. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your Instagram story. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!